stated the state of our security in the county. Bwana County Commissioner, you are the head of the national government. You see today, people, they are peaceful. There is no incident. This is not Bobasi, it's not Monchari, it's in Nyariba, in Kitutu. And I want the security apparatus just to analyze the situation how it is. We have not closed anybody out. People, they have come. No incident. There is no way that particular individuals, when we have functioned, especially the functions of the president, they want to show us the muscle. They can bring chaos at that, like the one in Nyantrago, where a police officer arbitrarily were arresting anybody who is thought to be mtu, huyu mtu anaonekana kama ni mtu wa Simba, lazima akamatwe. Please, Mr. County Commissioner, you are the head of the national government. We want to request you, your team of security, let us not drive it as politicians. Let us give the security apparatus a chance to work for us. Right now, I'm told there is a baby who got lost here. Simply, etiyo kijana anaonekana ni mtu wa Simba, wame abduct mtoto, wamepotea na yeye. Here in Kitutu. They have killed somebody in Bobasi. They have killed somebody in Nyaribari. Now they have abducted a small baby. The only crime the baby is associated with the father, who is associated with the Simba. Only to instill fear. I want to ask you, Mr. County Commissioner, without arousing so many emotions, kindly, not even Simbarat would want to use the police. Not anybody who is elected want to use the police to cause chaos, to cause pain to our people. It's sad that these things can happen. Happened at Yaya Center in Nairobi last week, where people, they were wrenching on how to disrupt the function of the president Saturday when he's here. And I want to state, if the investigating agencies from Nairobi, they can go to Yaya, check the Kisi politicians who are seated in Yaya, planning to cause chaos on Saturday here. Kwa hivyo, tunaomba mtu yoyote, rais atakuja yes Saturday hapa, tunataka watu wakuwe na amani, vile amani imekuwa hapa. Kwa sababu tutafanya hiyo mkutano hapo uwanjani. We are not expecting mtu atoke nje alete fujo kwa mkutano ya kanisa. Nasikia wamesema Saturday ndio wataonyesha rais kwamba Simba sio mtu,